Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. My channel is about all things makeup related, so if that interests you, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for future notifications of uploads. So I created this coppery, dramatic, warm-toned eye look using two palettes. I'm using Mucho Happy Palette by Urban Decay. It is a happy spring warm tone palette, and this is the shade Spritzer, which inspired this entire look. And because there's no good transition shades in that palette, I use the Naked Wild West palette to create a really dramatic eye look. And we're just gonna jump right into the tutorial. A ColourPop E35. The first shade I wanna go in with is Nudie. This is like a really perfect, pretty transition shade. And I'm going to go with a ColourPop E35 blending brush all over my crease area. This is going to help build up my transition shade, making a nice, defined, warm, matte crease. After that, I'm just going to take another blending brush. This is a JH31 Morphe blending brush, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Blast. This is like an orange transition shade. A very warm look, tapping off the excess, and then I'm gonna just define my crease and make it nice and warm and peachy. I love this little Smiley palette. I think the colors are super playful. This blue is so pigmented, but I have to have a really good transition. I have to have really good transition shades or else it's really hard for me to create a look. So I'm just incorporating the Wild West palette, which is like another Urban Decay palette, with this one to achieve that look. Let's see how the lighting looks with my backlights on. So now I have this nice matte orange crease area. This is the Ariel A29. It's like flat and then blendable. Ghost Town, which is a matte red burgundy shade. Ghost Town is one of my favorite shades in this palette. I just really love the like dark burgundy red tone. I know it's like 2023 and those tones are like so out of style because it's been so overdone, but I love a good burgundy shade, especially with a really warm look like this. So just like that, just blending it here in my outer V, bringing it up into the crease just a little bit. I love this brush for that reason. Keeps everything, like you can shape out the eye socket pretty well with these brushes. Just like that, like a really matte blended look. I have this concealer brush by Ariel. It's pretty dirty, but I'm gonna get this wet. And then I'm gonna go with that gorgeous copper shade called Spritzer. It's absolutely stunning. It's one of my favorite shades in this palette besides that blue, because that blue is insanely pigmented and beautiful. It's got like gold specks in it, but Spritzer is so pretty. And that's the shade that really inspired this look. So I'm gonna get this concealer brush wet and then apply that. Spritzer. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply Spritzer in my inner crease. These shimmers are so pretty, but they are also like a thick shimmer. Like they can be kind of like, not chalky, but they're thick. But once they're on there, they're like on there, you know? And I kind of carved out this roundness right here, so that way it's more like the smokiness is round there. Just trying out a new technique. Oh, the Spritzer is so stinking pretty. Such a gorgeous shade, you know? Like that copper shade was really, really in when I was in college, and I still love it. I think it's still in. Clean up any fallout that I have, like a thick shimmer shade. I'm gonna take a touch of Party on my finger and apply that at the very end here. Just to give a little gold. And I'm gonna go back in on that brush and kind of tap spritzer on top of it. I'm gonna go back in with the L'Oreal A29 and the crease and just kind of clean that up because the shimmer got up there. I did not want that. Adding some more Ghost Town. And with Ghost Town, same brush, the A29, I want to go underneath my eye here. This is looking so much prettier than I could have ever imagined. Like the red is truly shining through on the bottom lid, and it looks so pretty with that copper shade. Part of me wants to add some darker shadow to the outer corner. But I don't know. I kind of like the way it is, you know? I have here a dense blending brush. This is a, I don't even know, Smudge Tacky. I don't know the brand, but it looks like that. And I'm gonna go with the shade Whiskey, which is a really nice dark chocolate brown. Just a smudge of it, and I'm gonna put it right here in my outer V. Darken up. Ghost Town. A blast on my Sigma E35 blending brush, and I want to blend out the edges up here so it's not so harsh. And then take those and go down here and kind of blend out my bottom lash line. And dusting away the fallout. A small detailing brush, this is a JH Morphe 38. I go in with the shade Psyched. This is a matte vanilla shade, and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. I'm gonna highlight my inner corner as well. I was thinking about using a shimmer for my inner corner highlight, but the white, the matte white, is looking really nice. I'm going to apply my Urban Decay Perversion black eyeliner. This is my Ride or Die black eyeliner. And then I'm gonna go in with the mascara, the Rocket Mascara by Maybelline. I want that black eyeliner. Tightline my bottom and top lashes. And then I'm gonna go with my Ardell Demi Wispy lashes. Alright guys, that completes this look. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.